everyone, I hope you enjoyed my first video showing my favorite art tutorials for eyes. If you haven't watched, click the link above. Today I'm going to be drawing realistic lips following a tutorial by Rapid Fire Art. See the description below for links to everything in this video. I'm using an HB pencil and 4B pencil along with a kneadable eraser and my regular pink eraser. I like the kneadable eraser for fine details and the pink eraser for larger areas. Be sure to grab a tissue or brush for blending. I started out by drawing a line that separates the lips. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw the Cupid's bow. The higher I put it, the thicker the lip will be. I'm going to move on to drawing the bottom lip, and then it's time to shade. I'm going to grab my 6B and lay a light layer of graphite over the lips. Remember, the smoother your shading is, the more realistic the lips look. Now I'm going to draw in where my light is coming from. That's going to help me place the highlights in the right position. I'm going to lightly sketch in my highlights. Looks like it's time for contour lines. Contour lines can also double as wrinkles while drawing lips. I'm going to go in and darken places where there is little light. Then I'm going to shade it in for a smooth layer of graphite. While darkening these parts of the lips, make sure to use contour lines. Because some of my highlights got covered while shading, I'm going to use my eraser to lighten them. While doing the top lip, I mapped out areas that were in shadow along with the highlights. Then I repeated the steps from the bottom lip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.